Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix visible Wi-Fi calling not working, iPhone and Android troubleshooting. To fix visible Wi-Fi calling when it stops working, the absolute most effective solution is the airplane mode trick. This is because your phone automatically prioritizes weak cellular signals, even a non-functional SOS status over a Wi-Fi connection. Fix 1. The airplane mode bypass. Open your control panel or settings and enable the airplane mode. Then turn Wi-Fi back on manually while keeping airplane mode active. Wait for about 30 seconds, then look for visible Wi-Fi or a Wi-Fi icon in your status bar, then try making a call. Fix 2. Verify basic settings. On iPhone, open settings, then go to cellular, then go to Wi-Fi calling and toggle it on. Android, open settings, then go to network and internet, then go to mobile network, then go to advanced, then go to Wi-Fi calling and turn it on. Preference. If your Android device supports it, change your connection preference to Wi-Fi preferred instead of cellular preferred. Fix 3. Disable interfering features. Wi-Fi assist iPhone. Go to settings, then go to cellular, scroll to the bottom and turn off Wi-Fi assist. This stops the phone from abandoning your Wi-Fi when the signal slightly dips. Time sync. Ensure your date and time are set to update automatically. Go to settings, then go to general, then go to date and time and toggle set automatically. Misaligned internal clocks block encrypted carrier routing. Fix 4. Refresh network configurations. If the phone refuses to register on Visible's backend server, a clean network reset is required. If basic toggles fail, follow the guide to perform a network reset to clear corrupted cellular files. iPhone reset. Go to settings, then go to general, then go to transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings. For Android reset, go to settings, then go to system, then go to reset options, then tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Note, this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords, so you will need to re-enter them afterwards. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.